Okay, hello. Here I'm going to demonstrate the whole image encoding or the message encoding that I've hidden in this image. Um, so over here in this side, you can see I have the key image and the cipher image. The cipher image contains the message, and the message is sort of best described as the difference between these two. So yes, and the way I've encoded it is, or I've programmed the encoder is that it will encode along this top row of pixels until it fills or it meets the required length for the message. And as you can see, like, oh, you may be able to see the small differences between the cipher and the key image as I'm toggling the visibility of the cipher. Where I'm seeing it most are these 3 pixels here. You watch those pixels. There's no way anyone would really be able to notice that with the blind eye. But anyway, what I am going to show you is a very exaggerated version of the differences between those uh, pixels. And then here it is. And so along this top row, you're able to see, as we keep scrolling, all of these are the different bits or each pixel's a byte of data from the message that I've hidden here. And this isn't a small image, and the message I've hidden isn't very small either. And there we go. We've just hit the end of it right there. That's that's that. Um, what I may do is pause the record. I'm going to pause the recording here and see if I can't encode a message that uses multiple rows of pixels and all. So I'm going to pause the recording here. Okay, I am back and I have encoded a much larger message this time. And we're going to come back in here. Here's the cipher image. There's the key image. As you can see, or probably not see, there's not much difference. But I guarantee it's a much larger message, which may be more visible if I come up here. Okay, the YouTube compression's not going to really see this very well, but I'm seeing it a lot. Big changes here. And the quality of the noise. Can't really see it in the branches of this tree. Over here, as we get into like the clouds and stuff, it's a little more visible, but still like very much invisible to the point where no one would have any idea that something was hiding here. And then, just like last time, I'm gonna enable this. And here we can see the encoding of the image, or the encoding of the message over this image. As you can see, it goes through several lines. It scans across several lines. How many lines is that? 19 and I'd say 19 and 3/4. It's a pretty big message, and I'm not going to tell you what the first message was, but I will reveal what the second message is. should your curiosity, should you be curious? And the second message is, of course, as all things should be, a meme. It is the complete transcript of all dialogue in the Bee movie. Anyway, go back to this and just look at it again and verify that, yeah, it's basically completely invisible. And yeah, that's all I got for now. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.